All right, here we go. So tonight we warmed up with several different. I had a request to actually teach this, so I did tonight several different ways to do the spinning left side pass from various connections. So if I don't remember all that I taught, it's okay. I'll put a few of these on. So standard spinning left side pass is like that with a left hand connection. If I have a right hand connection to her left, an opposite connection, my right to her left, we have the free release spinning left side pass, just like that. So it would go still 1, fret 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And so then we were talking about some other combinations. For example, if I had a right, I think I started with this one, I had a right to left connection that I just used. I could use another way by lifting and 1, fret 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'll do it the other direction. 1, fret 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And I did also mention that we can end in a closed position, and we can if I go the same move, 3 and 4. And when I connect here, I drop this hand to her back, 5 to 6. I can end up using that. I can end up in a closed position if I want to. So the other way, 1, fret 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Like that. Then we were working with a right-to-right connection, where if I turn the lady, I just leave the same move with the right hand instead of my left and do a hand change at the end. So it's the same thing. 1, fret 2, she turns 3 and 4, and a hand change at the end, 5 and 6. And then finally, I think, and I may have missed something, but I got most of it. That's right. From a right-to-right connection, doing it as a drape for me, and then the arm slide like so, looking at it from this direction, 1, fret 2, over her and then me, and then 5 and 6. That's a possibility. And then there was the two-hand double drape move, which went 1, fret 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And so from the other side, I'm going to pick up this hand in flight. You can do that as well. I don't have to have it immediately. I just have to ask for it, and then it can go over both of our heads and the arms slide like that. Okay. So after we reviewed all of that, we went to this little pattern. The pattern was this. We did a spinning left side pass, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 with we call it a runaround. And then we back that up with a passing tuck in from a closed position and a right side pass to flip the hand back over. So let me try that in the other direction. I think that's right. Yeah. Okay. So we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1, fret 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, thank you guys very much. Always fun to have everybody here. We're going to play some good music. Off we go. Don't forget, 2 Steps Wednesday. Come back, join me Friday. Progressive Double 2. DanceWithJim.com is my website if you want information about my schedule. Robert, it's all yours. Gail, thank you.